Assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody would be absolutely fine and shine. In one of my introductory video, I have talked about my public speaking skills and qualities. So I was asked around by so many people that have you ever shown any glimpses in these videos? If you haven't, then why don't you do that? So today I thought, okay, let's talk about a little bit about my speech as well. One of the speech I would like to talk about, but that is also about a very interesting topic which I've chosen for this particular video. Uh, we all have thought about the different perspectives of life, how the life is, what is the meaning of life. And one of the most popular definition about the life is that life is a journey. Imagine a journey without a destination. You are traveling absolutely nowhere. So this is exactly what we'll be talking about, that how we can reach to the ultimate goal of our life. We have to set small targets. And to do that, you need to have a vision. So vision, this is what we'll be discussing in this video. What is the meaning of vision? It has got couple of meanings. One is about sight through which we can view this beautiful world. Instantly, sometime we are passing by, we see a beautiful moment and we say, wow, how beautiful that is. That is all about the scenes which we look. But the vision we will be discussing is the other one, which is the insight, the vision which takes you top of the world, the vision through which many different leaders of the world have turned their nations, not themselves, or a particular society. This is what vision is. To understand its importance, I would like to give you some of the examples here. And those examples are of my speech, which I delivered about, you can say, 6, 7 years ago. So I hope you will like it and I hope you will understand the importance of vision too. History has witnessed many visionary leaders all over the world. They had a vision for their country, some of them for their region, but a very few for the entire world and humanity. They revolutionized human societies by bringing socio-economic transformation with their dynamic and inspiring leadership. Now let's look some of the examples of those visionary leaders, starting from Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who liberated the Muslims of subcontinent from the clutches of both the British and the Hindu majority. How can I forget Mao Zedong, who brought cultural revolution in China? Mahathir Mohamad, who bide his leadership skills and made Malaysia what is today. Abraham Lincoln, whom each and every US remember because of within the span of 4 years, he was able to pass the slavery from the civilized world. How can I forget Nelson Mandela, despite imprisonment of 28 years, able to free the blacks from white masters? Lenin, who worked for Russian working class against autocratic Tsar Nicholas II. Above all, the Prophet of Islam, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, who is against all odds and staunch oppositions, transformed the Bedouin population of Arabia into a civilized and cultured society. This is what vision has done, people. Especially the one I just talked at the end of this list is someone whose vision have turned humanity. Within just 23 years, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam have done what no one could. His teachings spread far and wide through Quran and Sunnah. So now the question arises how we can think about it, how we can change our lives like these leaders have done. I'm not saying you start thinking, getting up early in the morning tomorrow, things will be changed. No, this is not possible. But you can do one thing, start realizing what you are good at. Try to understand the importance of vision in order to get the ultimate, in order to get something which you really want to achieve. For that, you need small targets. And to achieve those targets, you need vision. You need to know where you're going. This is what the message of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it, like it, and share it. Before I end, let me, in fact, I would like to rest my case with these following lines, that the essence of leadership is that you have to have vision. You cannot blow an uncertain trumpet. Stay curious.